Hi guys, this is Carol coming in with a little bit of how I set up my apartment for the Christmas. So it was like I uses a flower outside flower thing for a like a bar card. It was an idea. I didn't want to keep it outside, so I bring it in and I said I'm gonna use it as a bar card. And I find this at the St. Vincent de Paul Church. So that is how I set it up. Over it is this. I came up with this idea to light up the roof of my place. Oh, guys, by the time I hang up all the lights, by I not having help to put it's when I tried to light it, it wasn't lighting. So with me banging it up and down, it blew. All the bulb blew. So this is the living room area, and I wanted to use this like a tree. My card, what's it called again? You know what this is? The two together. So we usually be on each side. I just use it like a tree, and I decorate over it with some gold stockings because my colors are cobalt blue, gold, silver, and a few white. Back there I have some extra mirrors and painting. This is my patio door, and this is the tree. It's same cobalt blue, white, and gold and silver. And this is how I set it up. And the light in there was blue. Guys, I set it up a few times before I get it right. And this is the whole tree. And at the top, I practice and make bow. I made two. There's one at the back and one at the front. I put the cobalt blue ribbon in the middle. So was my tree for 2018 Christmas. And I find those believe signs at Dollarama. This was from Plaza de Dollar. This was Canadian Tire, Plaza de Dollar, Thrift Store, Dollarama. This was Dollarama too, Thrift Store for the Christmas tree. Canadian Tire. The silver ones were Thrift Store. The ribbon, this is the same. I have the white ribbon, lace sparkle, full of sparkle. This was some I use silver, sometimes I use gold with the lace from Dollarama. And the star was from Dollarama. So this was the tree. And when you light it, it looked like that. It's daytime now, so it's not really gonna show. If I close the blind, still not gonna show. But this was my tree for Christmas. This is my window. You see outside, you see the snow from here. And this is my bar card. Didn't use it this year. And this is my little coffee cart where I have a coffee press here. I never use my cups usually here. It's Christmas time. I put Christmas cup now. I moved the Christmas cups. I have started to put the Valentine ones. But I had for Christmas I had the snowman from the Dollar Tree, the big coffee cups. And these usually I have cappuccino, hot chocolate, coffee, marshmallow. There's some hot chocolate here that I poured out. In the back I have tea, all grey tea. I have this tea. Been using over the years. I didn't use it for a little while, but I still have the can. I have some. I got these at the Dollar Tree. Coffee, vanilla, Frisco. Two flavor. The other one is here. And the bottom here, I got these cups at the thrift store. These, a friend gave me a set of these dishes and stuff like that. My favorite crackers. In these, I have crushed candy cane and chocolate chip thingy. I have some little dessert cups and stuff like that. But it's the whole system, but I made it for my coffee and hot chocolate. We have brown sugar. We have some other coffee. In the fruity, I'll do something. I have a little tree what I use. One of my colander. In with this is my kitchen area, and it's a little not prepared because I have two flower pot there and stuff. Anyway, at Christmas time, that's how I had it set up. My Christmas is red and blue. My kitchen is red and blue, so I had two I get from Winners, and these are Dollarama cushions that I stuffed. I make two pillow there, and I cover my bar stools. My stools are white, kind of white. So going to the dining table now. The dining table were like that for Christmas. Guys are still looking for gold flatware. I have rose gold, but I need gold flatware. I have silver, I have black, but I didn't feel like putting any. It's blue, white, and gold, and this was my setup for the Christmas, guys. Okay, this was from Stokes. Love those. This was 4 something for one, but I think the day I get a sale, so I get it half price, which was 2 something for one. It's very sparkly. This one was Stokes too, what I got in the summer last year. And I have this blue plate. It's a charger. I using it as a plate, and I have a few of them I had got at Bombay years ago. I had made I have about 8, so I use it as a plate because I wanted a solid blue plate. So, and the bowl is from Bombay too. See, Bombay, and the cups is from Bombay. And this I had got from Tiger Giant. Beautiful. It's very tall, and I didn't put the battery in it yet. And I had got this kind of cake plate from Dollarama since in the summer. At the buffet, at the back of the chair, I have more of Bombay plates. A platter with small teacups and teapot. The kids broke my. That's the rest of the dishes, and I have some gold charger here, what I'm gonna be using for my New Year's tablescape. So this is my place and how it was set up, and I decorate even the lights. The other one over the dining table. That's how I set up. I set up over the stairs another tree and a tree in my room, but I'm gonna show you next year. I'll do better. I'll be better at organizing and making sure. I didn't tell you guys about this. This thing holds CDs, music stuff, and this basket used to always be underneath there with games and stuff, but I pack up all the games and I'm not sure what I'm doing with it yet. So I rest it there still, but usually it's not there. I'm gonna end the video with my tree. So that's part of my downstairs of my apartment. This picture frame always there. I have a bay leaf sign over there. This is my bar cart, coffee area stuff. And like that. This was how I was set up for Christmas. Guys, thank you. Bye.